guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a shop with me at Ikea, and I'm not really looking for anything necessarily, but I do want to find stuff for the shelf in my living room because I've been struggling so hard trying to put it together. It's just hard. And then I do want to find some storage bins for the basement downstairs, and I want to see if there's any good like bedroom furniture, see if we can kind of find a nightstand or a headboard and stuff. I don't really know exactly what I'm looking for the style, so I'm just going to take you guys along and see what they have there for their spring and summer. So let's go. Are kind of cute for the shelf. Only $2.99. I might get one.
That's fine. Go ahead and... It's the one time I'm gonna tell you. It's fine.
I know. I'm looking for plants, but also, ooh. So you want bigger boxes? Oh, this is exactly what I was looking for your video games.
Yeah. How much is it?
$2.99.
That's fine. If we can find...
This is in the home organization section. This is what I am looking for. Do you like this plant better or the bigger plant?
I don't mind either. Yeah, like these type of things.
These are not bad. It's only 40 bucks.
I like those type of sinks, like
Yeah.
bowl sinks.
It's not bad because it's pretty big.
30 actually.
It's 20.
Yeah, you're right. Which one?
You want the ball?
This one or kitty?
You like the kitty?
Chose kitty.
Look, they have little piggies and little rats. Yeah. Hey guys, so we just came back from Ikea and I just wanted to haul the items that I got. So I got this white planter right here, and I believe it was $10. And I got this fiddly fig tree for $50, and that's the best price that I've seen online or other stores, even Home Goods. So I plan on putting that tree in here in my dining room in the corner. I got this serving bowl right here, and it was on sale for $2.50. Like I mentioned before, we were looking for storage for our gym, our home gym in the basement. And so we got two of these. I'm not sure if you can see it. They're just little foldable, like cubicles to store all our handles and equipment and our extra things that we just don't want sitting out. And I got two of them in the color gray. I picked up some Tupperware, and I believe it was like $8 for all of these. And then I picked up two like storage boxes. They're made out of cardboard, and you kind of fold them up yourself. One in black and one in white, just because I want to put them in my shelf, my built-in shelf in my living room. I want to store my fiance's like video games and stuff like that I just don't want out. And then the main thing that I saw that I knew I wanted to pick up were these things for my built-in shelf in my living room. I saw these online at other shop with me's, and it really goes well with my decor and my aesthetic in my living room. So I was really excited. I had to pick up two. And then I picked up these plates right here for my daughter. They were only $2, I believe, and I think it's a pack of 6. We also picked up these hooks right here for our home gym. We plan on putting our resistance bands, and pretty much we have a ton of resistance bands, and we just kind of want to hang them on the wall. What's funny is that when we were headed to the bathroom, they have little hooks on your way to the bathroom where you can leave your big bag full of items, and these were the hooks. We looked at them, and they're exactly what we wanted, and of course, because Ikea is awesome, they had a big box of them like right next to the big hooks. We picked up these paintbrushes that we did not want. They're from the lady before us, but I think she charged us for these instead. So, I mean, whatever. We'll use them. And then, I don't really know what this is. My fiance got this for my daughter, but I think you put this over the over the bed, and you kind of make it into a teepee. I don't know. I'll definitely update you guys on my Instagram stories once I put this up, because I have no idea what this is. But yeah, he just bought that for her. And that's pretty much it. I was pretty content and happy with the things that I actually found. Don't forget to like this video if you like Shop With Me's. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. And if you want to watch more of my videos, I'll definitely link more of my playlists down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.